Well, it's a beautiful fall day today, and we are going to be decorating my living room for Christmas. So come along with me and let me show you some of the things that I am using and loving this year. If you love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, I am here for you at Skip to My Life. Well, I am going to break down simple Christmas decor for you one step at a time. And our first little project is to use these 3-tiered snow globes and make them into tiny snowballs. Now, I call them tiered because I purchased 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large at Dollar Tree. So the total cost for these globes was $3.75. I am just glue gutting some automotive cloth from Dollar Tree to the outside of these. And this does not have to be an exact science. Snowballs are not perfect, nothing in nature is, and so just have fun with this project. Take your little covered faux fur balls and you just put a little bit of glue on. And you know, I like Jot school glue just as well as any name brand, and I don't even worry about getting a plate to put this glue on. I just dip my paintbrush in and I dab it around. And this is a great way to cover up any of those mistakes that you made in the last steps, any lumps or bumps. And then all we're gonna do next is we're just gonna take some of this fake snow from Dollar Tree. I love this stuff. Great bargain, it really goes far. And we're just gonna sprinkle it on all the spots where we put glue. And then once it's dry, these make adorable little snowball ornaments. And what I would caution you to do once it's completely dry is go ahead and spray a coat of hairspray on it, because it's going to keep all that fallout from coming out all over your tree. So this is such a fun project. It's so easy and so economical. Dollar Tree carries really similar snowball type ornaments already made too for $1.25. So if you prefer that, there's that option. One of the first things I found was this wreath from Walmart, and it was at a really good price point, under $13. But as you can see, everything I'm using is flocked. So what I recommend to you is that as soon as you bring it home, you take it outside, give it a good shake off, and then spray it with some hairspray, and that will keep the flocking from getting all over in your home. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I've chosen a natural woodland theme for my Christmas decor this year. My husband and I live in an 1,000-square-foot home that we rent, and so there just isn't a lot of room for Christmas decor, and I am narrowing it down to these 9 items that I'm showing you today. The 3 essential items that you'll see me using are the wreath, this 9-foot garland, and then also this 6.5-foot lighted tree. All 3 of these are from Walmart, and I am providing links to those and also to some of the ornaments I purchased from Walmart below in the description box. Even though I took these pieces outside to make sure I could shake off that extra flocking, there really was very little fallout. And I love a flock tree. You may not like the flock look, and if you don't, they have other options. But when I came inside, I went ahead and laid a sheet down just to make sure I caught any of the other glitter or flocking, and I didn't have to sweep all of that up. I draped the 9-foot garland across my hearth. This is something I made from boxes last January, and I will link how I did that in the description box below. I wanted to go ahead and duct tape it to that fireplace just to make sure that it didn't fall off. I was really impressed with the quality and the sturdiness of this 9-foot garland. If you've downsized recently like we have, it's really important that you embrace your smaller space and really limit yourself to decorations that make the biggest bang for the buck. I chose this woodland outdoor theme because I thought that the white elements really made my environment look a little bit larger, and it was just a cleaner look. The 5th element you'll need to really streamline your winter decor is a statement ornament. Now, I'm using these glass pine cones. I also found these gingerbread people that I thought would be adorable. And if you buy a larger quantity like this, you'll end up saving more money. Welcome if you're new to Skip to My Life. You know, the holidays can be overwhelming, especially if you've recently downsized and you're trying to decide which of your possessions you really want to keep and display. So we are here to help and support you in that. And you will see Franklin and Bella, our two long-haired dachshunds, throughout this video saying hi to your fur babies. Comment below and let me know how you attached your Christmas ornaments to the tree. I gave up on hooks a long time ago because so many of my ornaments just fell off. So I now use wire, and I wire each ornament to the tree, and I don't have to worry about them falling. In keeping with my woodland idea, I wanted to show you a really quick and easy Dollar Tree craft for the holidays. You're going to take one of these ornaments. Now, antlers and deer are all the rage this year, and this little ornament comes apart easily. It's just two pieces wired together, so you can actually make two ornaments out of just this one. For now, we'll be working with that antler wreath, and the first thing that I'm going to do is tone down the glitter a little bit with the paint. Now, you can skip this step if you love glitter, but I wanted to make it look more like it would appear in nature. Well, after I've painted a dark brown, I'm going to highlight it with a little bit lighter brown color. And then next, once that's dry, I'm going to add some of the Dollar Tree faux snowflakes by putting some cool glue that's clear on top and then just sprinkling some of the snowflakes. Now, I thought that this would help this piece really blend in with all of my flocked items that I've had. Next, I'm taking a candle container with all the wax taken out of it, and we're going to use that clear school glue again, and we're going to give the effect of ice or snow on the top of that candle container. Once I have laid down that clear school glue, I will just shake a little bit more of the snow and let it dry, and then once it's dry, come back with a paintbrush and just remove all the extra. My base for this piece will just be a circle of wood, but you could use that candle lid. It's really not going to show. And then as you'll see, I'm laying these two on top, and I'm adding a push light. Now you can buy these at Dollar Tree. I think I got this one in a pack a long time ago. And on top, I'm putting some glass beads that are just going to glow through. This last piece is optional. You can add some more doodads to make it look like it's fitting in with the winterscape, but I love the way that this little light came out. It's such a simple, peaceful little project. It would make a great nightlight for a child's room or a guest bath or a guest bedroom, and it just really brings that cozy vibe of nature. Comment below and let me know if you have chosen a decorating theme for this Christmas and what it is. Is it more traditional? Is it more natural? What do you love? The sixth element in your really simple Christmas decor is going to be a filler ornament. Now, I'm going to give you a lot of options for this, but as I told you, the antlers and the deer theme is huge this year, and it was all over the Walmart Christmas section. You can find it in Dollar Tree. I also found this beautiful brass colored deer for $30. I did not purchase that. I just wanted to let you see it because I thought it was so beautiful. And my daughter asked me, why are you already talking about Christmas? And some of you may be wondering that, but let me be honest, it's going to be gone very quickly. And the items I'm showing you are very reasonably priced, and those will definitely be the first to go. So I didn't want you to be left without any fun decor, and that's why I wanted to get this video to you just as soon as I possibly could. You can see how unimpressed Bella is with all my decorating. She was just taking a nice little winter's nap. Your filler ornament should be something that takes up quite a bit of space, and so for that reason, these sprigs make a great filler as well. I'm also showing you some picks, a little bit more traditional colors from Walmart, but these are great space fillers for parts of your tree or your decor that might just have a little hole in them, or you may just need something to even out one side against the other. I decided to keep the wreath in our entryway just really simple and classic. So I just let the flocking be the main decoration and some of those sprigs of the filler. Clear globes make every Christmas decor shine and look so classy and uncluttered. So I'm going to show you a really simple project with these. You can just take some white feathers or really any color you like, insert them inside your glass globes, and return the lid. Now, Dollar Tree does carry these plastic ornaments, but they are a lot less expensive at Walmart because they sell them in bulk. I did want to show you this other options from Walmart, which is already pre-done for you. Another great thing about having some clear glass globes is that you can change what you put inside them to match your decor from year to year. Even with a neutral decor like mine, it's important to have a pop of color here and there, and I chose the color red. I found some wonderful options at Dollar Tree. Walmart also carries these red velvet stars that I really loved. We're almost at the big reveal, and I had so much fun putting this together for all of you. It really made my heart warm to think about every one of you celebrating the holidays this year. And I really hope that you give yourselves a lot of grace, especially if you've recently downsized or if you've just had a rough year, because we've made it. We've made it through another year, so we all deserve a pat on the back. In my last episode, we talked all about Pottery Barn dupes, and we made these antique brass bells. And if you're interested in that, you can go back to my last episode and follow how we did that one. Comment below and let me know how you will be spending the holidays this year. My kids are coming to see us, and so we are really excited this year. But you know, I just took Franklin, our older dachshund, to the vet, and he probably will have maybe 2 more, maybe just this one holiday with us. So that makes it a really special one for us. I'm cherishing every moment with him, and if you have a fur baby, I know you understand what I'm talking about. And please remember, today is not the end of your story, so don't you give up. Keep putting one foot right in front of the other.